Okay, our next bracelet is the Yoda by SFS Weaver.
Okay, let me space the chords. Between 1 and 2 is A, 2 and 3 is B, 3 and 4 is C, 4 and 5 is D, and 5 and 6 is E. Okay, so this bracelet is called the Yoda Knot, and as you see, it's a 6-strand core, which I've already set up. And here's your weaving cord, which I've already put through the center, and it's out through B and through D. And this is our starting point for the knot. So it's going to be the same way with a buckle or without a buckle. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so this bracelet is called the Yoda Knot, and as you see, it's a 6-strand core, which I've already set up. And here's your weaving cord, which I've already put through the center, and it's out through B and through D. And this is our starting point for the knot. So it's going to be the same way with a buckle or without a buckle. First thing we're going to do is grab our weaving cord, and it's already out, facing outward. Our right cord is going to come under and out through E. Now I'm going to leave a little space because the knot is a little different for the first one. Okay, we're going to stay with the right cord. Our next step is to go over this cord over here and down through E again. It's going to form like a hitch knot. Okay, and I'll leave it set up for that. Okay, left cord, same thing. We're going to come under and out through A. Okay, we grab our left cord. We're going to go over the left cord over here and down through A again. Okay, so that should be our first setup for our first knot. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is push it up, in this case because it's our first one, and I'm going to pull the cord that's coming out through E. That'll help you tighten it up better and quicker. You pull on the cord, and that's the first part of our knot. We're going to pull the cord again out through A, get it fairly tight, and then pull on the cord. Alright, so that's push it up really good. That's the first part of our knot. Okay, now we grab our left cord. We're going to go underneath the core and out through E. And take it to the right. Now we're going to grab our right cord and we're going to go under the core and out through A. Okay, that's the second part of our knot. Okay, now let's go to the next step. Now you see the cord is coming out through A and through E. Now what you want to do, which is kind of tricky, you really don't see it, you want it to form that cross there. So they're going to cross over. Now you're going to grab your right cord, and I still have these loops out here. I'm going to come down and over that cross through the middle, which is C, and over the cross, and I'll pull it out to the right. Okay, now we grab our left cord, we go over the core, down through C, and above that cross, and we go to the left. Okay, so this is where we start pulling. I'm going to pull through E, the right cord, tighten it up really good. Now I'm going to pull the A cord, tighten it up pretty good. Then I'm going to pull the cords on the sides. It has to be fairly tight because, and you want it to be straight, the cord, so like that, there's not a wrinkle in it. It has to be fairly straight because when you push it, it won't level out. And you want these two knots to be together. Okay, so it should look something like that. That's our first knot. Now, let's go to the second. Grab our right cord, come out through D, grab our left cord, we're going to come out through B, okay, we're going to pull up. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to come over and out through E, and you see I've got this loop around here. We're going to go over the cord and down through E again, and that's our hitch. Same thing on the left. We're going to come out through A, over the cord, down through A, and there's our other hitch. Now we pull the cord where I always pull it, and we tighten. Okay, go on the left side, pull the A, okay, and then we tighten. Now we come with our cord, our left cord under the core and out through E. Grab our right cord, we go under the core and out through A. And we're passing underneath the left cord. Okay, we form our little cross that I was talking about. Okay, we're going to go down through the center, over the cross, and out. Over the center, over the cross, down C, and to the left. And then once again, we're going to tighten these, get them fairly leveled, and we start pulling. Okay, that's our second knot. Okay, now we start again.